Hey gang, happy Sunday and welcome back to another video, and I'm just going to essentially dive straight in and explain the skeleton and the structure of the next week of programming. Fantastic work last week, honestly feeling very proud of all of your efforts. There's been some really challenging workouts, and to see you guys kind of getting in the zone and stepping up and dialing in and attacking those workouts is really cool to see. So thank you basically for buying into the programming and trusting the process and understanding what we're building towards and how much of an impact that's going to have on your overall fitness and strength, and also mental fortitude. Like, it hasn't been an easy week, and having said that, this upcoming week is also going to be quite challenging. Alright, so let's dive straight in. Monday, we're starting with upper push, which was similar to last week. We've got some push jerk work, 3 sets, low volume, so we're building that peak capacity, that power output. We're working off 70%, so you should have some data in Wodify already. I think the last time we push jerk was actually last week, the 13th. I think that was last week, or the week before. So you've got some data in there. You can base your numbers off that. And then the workout, open style again. So high intensity, lots of volume. We're pairing a dumbbell box step over with some wall walks. I'll let you have a little bit more of a look at that on Wodify for a bit more detail. Tuesday, we move to our longer conditioning bias day. I've put Tuesday in here tactically as an opportunity to do one of two things. Either you come in, you feel good, and you really push the pace. You've got the opportunity to do that. On the flip side, you may be sore from Monday, or lots of you start your week on a Sunday with Sunday conditioning, and you could still be feeling the effects from the volume that you got on Sunday's conditioning. So this is kind of an opportunity to either go hard or take it as an opportunity to chill out a little bit. You've got an EMOM, which hopefully is lower skill. It's lower skill, so hopefully it gives you an opportunity to just kind of switch off and get through it, get a bit sweaty, feel good about yourself, and then we finish with the core program for week 4. We then move on to Wednesday, which is going to be a big day. So we're starting with some back squat waves, and over the course of the waves, if you've never done back squat waves, it'll make a little bit more sense when you see it. The percentage loading is going to increase. Rep scheme will stay the same across the 3 sets, but a set essentially works out as 12 reps. Right, so not only are you going to be lifting heavy, but you're going to get a lot of capacity with the heavy loading. So muscular strength endurance, essentially. Hopefully you've got some kind of up-to-date numbers in Wodify to base those percentages off. If not, you'll work with your coach to figure out an alternative using RPE. Then the workout is interval-based, and this is again just typical movements that are going to come up in the open. Thrusters, burpees, lots of calories. Pretty simple, gotta work hard. Then Thursday, we're moving into our upper pull day. Again, this is sort of a tactical day where Wednesday was really challenging, so Thursday we're going to rein the intensity back in, and we're going to do some strength work for our gymnastics, and then we're going to do some skill progressions as the workout. So the workout won't feel like your typical, oh, let's just get really sweaty. It's more based on developing understanding in movements and positions as you start to fatigue through those movements. Alright, so again, we're going to look at an EMOM format with a few different movements in there. We're also going to be adding in some strict pull-ups in that workout. So we're going to use the progressions that we did on Thursday last week, which was the 19th, where we had strict pulling work, and then we went into the interval-based workout. You'll all remember that. Then Friday is our hinge day. Again, it's going to be interval-based, and you've got a certain amount of work to get through within each interval. The intervals priority is going to be the hinge work, the deadlift. So we're going to start by building to some heavier sets, and then we can back off that weight that we built up to in the first part for the workout. But the workout is going to be, I mean, it's every 3 minutes, but the work should take about half of that time. So it's essentially 1-to-1 work rest. As you fatigue, obviously they'll start to get a bit slower, but a really good workout, pretty challenging, and a good opportunity also to practice your double unders. Just conscious of how long I've been talking for. I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes, so that's kind of the sweet spot apparently. So that's the skeleton of the week. Every day this week on Wodify, as always, will be a bigger breakdown, a little bit more into my thought process of why we're doing the movements and how you can get the most out of them. But again, I just want to say awesome work, and I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into week 4, halfway through this 8-week cycle already. See you in the gym. I'll manage those. I can edit it.
I'm sorry. Are you on a roll?
Yeah.
Does that mean I also can't use the microwave?
No, you can.
Oh.
You just have to be quiet. I'll finish.
Oh, I don't need to
You
say
can be in the
anything.
background.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man. That's it.
And the wall walks